Man, is that one of the most epic drum intros ever? This song instantly recognisable because of that drum intro from U2 drummer Larry Mullen Jr. That's right, today we're covering U2's song Sunday Bloody Sunday. I actually found this song a lot more challenging to play and sing than I first thought. So today I'm going to show you that instantly recognisable intro riff to the song, and I'm going to show you it in two keys, right? The original key and then the one that I use to suit my voice. And of course I'm going to break down that really unique strum for you, and I'll share a few fun facts about the song. And finally I'll do a sing-along playthrough at the end so you can see what a self-taught upside down left-hand guitar player can actually come up with. Hey folks, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Dean and I am a left-handed guitar player playing on a right-hand strum guitar. So things may look a little bit different to you. Don't let that worry you. I'll put chord patterns on the screen there so you can follow along. You've got the same challenges as me. You just got to get these fingers in the right place on the frets. Now with that said, let's do the intro. Let's break down the intro. So the original song starts on a B minor and it transitions to a D to a G. Alright, but the intro riff is picking the 3-2-1 string on the B minor, then it transitions to the D, and then you're taking the pointer finger and the bird finger off the D chord, just leaving the ring finger on that second string, second fret. Let's do that slowly again. B minor, 3-2-1 2. D, 3-2-1 2, and then that D variant. Now I play this song in the key of A minor mainly because I couldn't get that high up in my voice just couldn't sing on the key of B minor, so I moved it down to an A minor, and that's how I do the rest of the lesson, right? So the A minor sounds like this. So the intro on the A minor is not a lot different to the previous version. It's 3-2-1 2 on an A minor. And then I'm being lazy, just taking my ring finger off to form an A minor 7th, but it could be a full C chord, right? Then you're forming an F chord. And then on this variation, you need to pick the 4th string first, not the 3rd string. Let's do that again, A minor. Hey folks, if this sort of music is your thing on guitar, then you'll definitely want to check out my new songbook. It features the best songs from all of my YouTube tutorials in the first year. All of them sound great around a campfire, so check out the link in the description below and you will have an instant song repertoire. Right, I'm going to show you two different strums. The way I play it through the playthrough is just sort of a lounge room version, and then I'll show you the Edge's rock version. So it's a pretty simple, easy strum. If you do, like, we're going to do it on the A minor, so it sounds like this. It's a down, 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 chicka. Now a chicka to me is just a down up. It's just a chicka. Hear that? Chicka. So chicka, down, 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 chicka, down, 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 chicka. Down, 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 chicka, down, 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 chicka, down, down, chicka, down, 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 chicka. So let's play the Edge's version of the strum. Now remember, I'm playing this guitar upside down, so my bass strings are on the bottom. So for me, I started on an up strum, and it was up, block, and then I throw in a chicka. So it sounds like this on an A minor. Chicka. Then to a C. Chicka. A block, block, and the block is the down strum blocking, alright? So F. Now I'll pick it up and play it more at the song pace with a couple of chickers in there in between the chord changes to make it sound a bit more natural, I guess. And I'm getting confused with the beat and the lyrics. This is a tricky song to play, for me anyway, because of that unusual strum and then the lyrics at the right time in the strum. It's actually not that easy. All right, so... Sunday, bloody Sunday, wipe your tears away. Get the idea? Wipe your tears away. Okay, the verse, pretty simple. You know the strum. You can do the simple strum or the edges strum or anything that suits you. But the verse is those 3 chords, A minor, C to an F. All right, so. I can't believe the news today. And of course, I'm changing the C with an A minor 7th, interchangeable. I can close my eyes and make it go away. Then it goes to that little change or variation on the verse, which is basically a C to a D minor. How long, D minor, to sing this song? To a C, to a D minor, build the tension. To chorus. We can be as one tonight. Sunday, bloody Sunday. Just have fun with the strums, right? What I'm doing there, a bit of scratching, a bit of muting, a bit of clean ringing out, a bit of treble strings down to a bass string. Sunday, bloody Sunday, wipe your tears away. Wipe your tears away. Let's move to the bridge. So the bridge is super simple. It just goes from a C minor to a D minor. Is it a C minor? Yeah, it is. C minor to a D minor to a C. Sunday, bloody Sunday. Sunday, do a bit of picking. Sunday, bloody Sunday. Back to the top. So this song was inspired by a tragic event in Irish history known as the Troubles. It was a period of political and social unrest in Northern Ireland. Specifically, it addresses the Bloody Sunday incident in 1972, where British soldiers fired upon unarmed civilians during a peaceful protest. U2, with their roots deeply embedded in Ireland, wanted to use their platform to raise awareness about the ongoing conflicts. This song has become a rallying cry for social injustice and an anthem for those seeking peace and reconciliation. Their provoking lyrics with a captivating sound is what makes U2 legendary and which makes this song one of their greatest. Now, if you've watched this far, then you're probably getting value out of this lesson. So return the karma, you know what to do, thumbs up. Consider subscribing to this channel. Support the small YouTubers out there like me. No prizes for guessing what the vocal ability rating is for this song. Using my patented Patreon vocal ability rating system, this song has to be rock star level. You've really got to commit to the song, all right? The power, the emotion in the lyrics. You need a strong voice, big range, rock star vocal ability. Okay folks, I'm going to give this song a playthrough right now, and because I'm doing that, YouTube will probably issue me with a copyright strike, meaning I'll get no ad revenue from this video forever. But there are ways for you to support me. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and maybe go to my Patreon page and consider becoming a member of the Campfire Guitar Hero band. Anyway, let's get into the playthrough, and thanks for watching. Can't believe the news today. I can't close my eyes and make it go away. How long must we sing this song? How long? Tonight we can't be as one tonight. Broken bottles under children's feet, bodies strewn down the dead-end street. But I won't heed the battle call. I've got my back up against the wall. Sunday, bloody Sunday. Sunday, bloody Sunday. Sunday, bloody Sunday. Sunday, bloody Sunday. Wipe your tears away. Wipe your tears away. Sunday, bloody Sunday. Now the battle's just begun. Many lost, but tell me who has won? The trench is dug within our hearts. Mothers, children,